Hey everyone, so we're going to do an unboxing, a couple unboxings anyways. So I am going to start with this guy. So we've got actually I think it's this way. Is it this way? It's this way. So we have the standard, it's the 5 to 6 inch LED retro downlight. So it's for a pod light can. So if you already have a can installed, a 6 inch or a 5 inch, this will be the one that you buy. This is a 3000K, means it's a warmer yellow versus the 5000 Kelvin, 3000 Kelvin. Your 3000K stands for Kelvin. It's just telling you the color temperature of the light. 3000K is warm, 4000K is more of a neutral, 5000K is more of a like crisp white. It's more like an overcast day almost. But these are pretty simple. You just flip open the box, pull it out. That's what you get. Trick is getting these out of the box without wrecking the box. But that's what you get. This is the 3000K. It's UL certified. All you do, you screw this into your socket in your pod light, and then these just go, you just pinch them together like so. There should be clips on the side. You just slide them into the clips and then let go, and then that'll hold it up and down and it'll center it, and then you just push it up. So I don't know if you can see, there's little marks here on the tabs. So it's currently set to 6 inch. If you need a 5 inch trim, you just loosen off the screw. Oh, sorry. Got a screwdriver here. So you just take your screwdriver, you loosen off your tab, move it over to 5 inch. Just like that, it's now ready for a 5 inch install. Super simple. Move it back, slide it over. 6 inch install. You'd have to move both in. You'd have to move both in for a 5 inch, both out for a 6 inch. So this is an older model, but I believe you can still get these where there's single color only. However, a lot of manufacturers are moving away from single color, so they're going to what's called CCT. And the CCT means that you can choose an array of white colors. So there'd be a switch on it somewhere that you would be able to choose then, whether it's like 3000, 4000, or 5000, and you just flip the switch, and then it would change the color output of the trim itself. So this is the LED retro 5 to 6 inch version. This is an older model, but still relevant. This does 6 inch install, 5 or 6 inch installs. Use it inside, outside, wherever you would need to give a better look. They don't yellow as bad as the old trims do, because there's a lot of heat in those with the halogen bulbs. So these stay white a lot longer and they last a lot longer. These are rated for 50,000 hours.